first come to interossei. There are 3 palmar interossei but 4 dorsal interossei. About the interossei, there are certain common feature that it looks like a palmar interossei and the dorsal interossei both inserted on the extensor apparatus. Okay, and palmar interossei are adductor, whereas the dorsal interossei are abductor. Palmar interossei, they are unipinnate in nature, whereas the dorsal interossei are bipinnate in nature. Palmar interossei 3 in number, dorsal interossei 4 in number. But some research worker believe that the deep head of flexor pollicis brevis, this one is grey, one is the superficial head of the flexor pollicis brevis, and one is the deep head of flexor pollicis brevis, which is shown in this black wire, this one. And it starts from the takes origin from the base of the first metacarpal bone and insert on the proximal phalanx at the base, but towards the ulnar side. This is the deep head of flexor pollicis brevis, and by some research worker it is taken as the first palmar interossei. Okay, and now second palmar interossei, it takes origin from the whole of the length of the metacarpal bone, not only the base, whole of the metacarpal, but towards the ulnar border and get inserted on the same side, that is the ulnar side, at the base of the proximal phalanx of index finger. And this is the third palmar interossei, this blue color, shown in this blue color, and it takes origin from the radial border of the fourth metacarpal bone and get inserted on the same side, that is the radial side. This is from the radial border of the fourth metacarpal and inserted on the radial side of the proximal phalanx of the fourth digit. Okay, and fourth palmar interossei, it takes origin from the radial border of the fifth metacarpal and again the same side, that is the radial side, it insert on the base of the proximal phalanx of the little finger. This is, but the main insertion is on the extensor apparatus. As I have told earlier that both palmar and dorsal interossei also inserted on the extensor apparatus, which is formed by the extensor tendon of extensor digitorum, this green color, extensor digitorum, as well as the extensor indicis, this grey color wire, extensor indicis tendon, as well as the extensor digiti minimi, shown in this white color, as well as the transverse metacarpal ligament. All this unite to form the extensor apparatus on the dorsal aspect. So it also get inserted there, this palmar interossei. And one thing more, that the palmar interossei, it starts with letter P and also palm tree. It looks like a palm tree, diverging leaves of the palm tree. Okay. Now coming to the dorsal interossei, they are 4 in number and all are bipinnate. It arises as the name interossei, means in between the two bones. So it takes origin from the adjacent side of the metacarpal bone. This is the first dorsal interossei, and adjacent side of the first and second metacarpal bone and get inserted on the base of the proximal phalanx of index finger and also inserted on the extensor apparatus. After uniting with this grey wire, this is from lumbricals. After taking a common tendon of the dorsal interossei and the lumbricals, going to the extensor tendon. Okay, or from the adjacent side of the metacarpal bone, and they look like D for dorsal interossei and D for diya, like a flame of a diya. They are converging. Okay. One thing here worth mentioning, that the proximal phalanx of thumb and the little finger has no attachment of interossei muscle on the dorsal side. And here one thing worth mentioning, that the middle finger has no attachment of palmar interossei on the palmar side. Okay. Now coming to the